Hello guys, how is everyone doing? I hope you are all doing good and welcome back to another reaction video. By the way, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ronnie Luke. Nice to meet you and welcome, and thank you so much for dropping by here again. And of course, to our new subscribers and returning subscribers, hello, shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I really appreciate it. Yeah, so for today's reaction video, I will be checking out another suggested video, which is Queendom. Yeah, it's a Divas of Queendom, and I think this would be my first time as well to check on them. And of course, shout out to all the fans of Queendom. Yeah, shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for bringing me here. Yeah, so I have no idea what is going on here, and I'm not so sure if who are the singer artists that will be performing here. But according to the title of this video, it says here, Katrina Villardi and XOXO join the Queens on the mic on All Out Sundays. Yeah, so I'm so excited to check this out. So I hope you will join me again on this reaction video. So without further ado, let's get into this video. But before we go further, I really appreciate if you could consider clicking that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button as well for you to be notified every time I'm going to upload new videos. And it really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get into this video and let's watch these Queendoms. Do you call it Queendom? Or Divas of Queendoms. Yeah. Okay guys, so let's get started. So nila at ito rin yung una kong mapanood yata ang Queendom. So ang kilala ko lang na artista or singer artist dito is ito si Julian San Jose, kilala ko na. So, si Isel Santos, mga nakikita ko yan mga dati. Pero yung mga iba dito, hindi ko alam kung sino pa yung mga nandito. Yeah. Pero ang ganda ng boses ang ganda ng starting din. Tsaka tingnan mo yung mga outfit, kaganda. Parang lalaban sa pang Miss Universe yung mga damitan nila. Ang galing ng outfit. Okay. Anyway, tuloy natin. Harmony. Galing. Wow, ang gagaling nila. Wow, ang ganda, ang ganda. Yeah, nakaka-entertain talaga sila. At ang ganda rin dito. Ang gusto ko dito, lalo na nga first time kong mapanood itong Queendom. Yung parang, ang ganda rin nilalagay nila yung pangalan for at least makilala mo. Which is, yeah, siguro yung mga iba dito hindi ko pa kilala. Pero yung dalawang nag-perform na kilala ko pa naman, si Julian at saka si Isel Santos. Yeah. Well, tignan natin kung sino pa yung mga iba dito. Yeah. Wow! Pansin ko dito sa apat na to nakita ko, iba-iba yung tone ng boses nila, no? Ganda ng combination niya. Andun lahat. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Kataray ng mga outfit, ha? Ang sarap palang manood dito sa All Out Sundays. Yan yung mapanood itong mga divas of Queendom. Ang gagaling nilang kumanta at na-highlight yung mga artista o yung mga, mga na-highlight yung mga singer artist ng GMA. Which is maganda rin, no? Ang ganda, tapos ang daming tao din. Nakakatuwa. Okay, tuloy natin. XOXO. Oh, ito ba yung mga tinatawag na XOXO? Pasensya na, hindi ako updated. Tapos ang boses nito. Ito pala yung sinasabing XOXO. Galing. Okay, next. Siguro si Katrina. Wait. Sinong next? Sino itong dalawa?
I could stay awake just to hear
Marian o Sabel.
breathing.
Hindi ko pa masyado siyang kilala.
Watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away.
Maganda rin yung boses.
Dreaming. I could spend my life in
Next.
this sweet surrender.
Hannah
I could
Princess.
stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep.
Sarap talaga manood, ano? Ng All Out Sundays.
I don't wanna miss a
With
thing.
the Queen of
Even when I dream
Queendom. Oh, with the divas of Queendom. I mean.
Sweetest will never do. I'd still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
Galing.
I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream
Taas
of
nito,
you,
ha?
the sweetest dreams will never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing.
Ooh, may pakulot.
I don't wanna miss a
Taas. ganda ng blending ng boses nila. Wow, Katrina, ha? Okay. Ang ganda rin ng stage nila, yung parang ang lawak tignan. Tsaka yung background yung ganda. Gusto ko yun. Wow, ang gagaling talaga ng mga singer-artist ng GMA. Wow. So, ito pala yung mga Queendom, yung sinasabing Divas of Queendom on All Out Sundays. Nag-enjoy talaga ako, ang gagaling talaga, mga halimaw talaga sa mga boses, ang mga nandito, no? Ang gagaling. At first time ko rin mapanood ito, nag-enjoy ako. At ang gusto ko rin dito, maganda kasi nilalagyan nila ng pangalan. Yeah, so at least kagaya ko na first time na mapanood ang Divas of Queendom, syempre meron yung mga singer-artist ng GMA na hindi ko pa kilala. Well, yung iba kilala ko naman na sila, kasi matagal na silang mga artists or singer-artist ng GMA. Yeah, so yeah, maraming salamat at syempre maraming salamat din sa GMA at least nabibigyan ng highlight yung mga singer-artist nila. So at least nabibigyan sila ng chance na makilala, kagaya ko na first timer na makilala ko sila or mapanood itong Queendom. Ang gagaling nila. Ang gusto ko rin yung stage nila. So parang ang lawak tignan yung stage. Hindi siya masyadong masikip. Ang ganda rin ng nila, ng background, ang ganda rin. Yeah. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So thank you so much, and that's it for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this reaction video, and if you do so, please don't forget to share, like, comments, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts as well in the comment section below, and we'll see you again on my next video. So God bless to all, keep safe, and bye for now.